Hi everyone, I am available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise 3 simulation training. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your training by watching this video. If you need help in this training and if you need help in this MyLab course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, and all Microsoft Word. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, cumulative assessment, capstone assessment, and final exam with A+ grade. And please reach me out for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, Management courses, Business classes, and many more classes. If you need help in any class, you can contact me. I will handle your course with A+ grade. So we will go to Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise 3 simulation training. We will launch this training. So the question number 1, in cell B12 use goal seeks to determine how much you can spend on home B2 to maintain a $600 monthly payment. Accept the solution. Okay, we will click on cell B12 and go to the data tab. In the forecast group, click on what if analysis button. So click on goal seek, set cell B12 and to value is 600 by changing value is B2. So B2 is changing value, click on OK button. You can see goal seek status is here. Question is done. So the next question of this training is question number 2. Create a what if scenario named best case scenario. The scenario should change the range B2 to B5. Assign 2 lakh in cell B2, 10,000 to cell B3 and 0.025 in cell B4 and 15 to cell B5. Do not close scenario manager after completing this step. Basically in this question we will have to add a scenario manager, create a what if scenario. We will go to the data tab. In the forecast group, click on what if analysis button, click on scenario manager button. We will add first scenario. Scenario name is best case scenario. Best case scenario. So the scenario should change the range B2 to B5. B2 to B5, changing cell is B2 to B5. We will select this range in the Excel sheet. So click on OK button. So assign 2 lakh in cell B2. 2 lakh in cell B2 and 10,000 in cell B3. So 15 to cell B5, 0.025 to cell B4, 0.025 to cell B4. So the B5 is 15. We will click on OK button. Do not close scenario manager after completing this step. Okay. Create a what if scenario name worst case scenario. The scenario should change the range B2 to B5. Assign 15, 1,50,000 to cell B2, 45,000 to cell B3, 0.06 to cell B4 and 45 to cell B5. Do not close scenario manager after completing this step. So we will have to add second scenario. Click on add button. Scenario name is worst case scenario. So the changing cell is also at B2 to B5, 150,000 to cell B2, 1,50,000. So B3 is 45,000. So B4 is 0.06 and B5 is 45. Okay, 06 is B4 and 45 is cell B5. So do not close scenario manager after completing this step. We will have to add a third scenario. Create a what if scenario, name most likely scenario. The scenario should change the range B2 to B5. Assign 150,000 to cell B2, 30,000 to cell B3, 0.045 to cell B4 and 30 to cell B5. Do not close scenario manager after completing this step. Okay, the scenario name is most likely scenario. Most likely scenario. Okay. Okay, most likely scenario is the scenario name. So B2 value is 150,000 and B3 value is 30,000. B3 value is 30,000. 0.425 for cell B4. So 30 for cell B5 and click on OK button. So question is done. You can see on my laptop screen I have done this question so well. Now display the most likely scenario. Added the most likely scenario by changing the third changing cell B4 to 0.045 and display the scenario again. Do not close scenario manager after completing this step. This is good. We will go to most likely scenario and we will edit this. Click on OK. So cell B4 is 0.0425. Click on OK button. Okay, you can see I have done this complete training in my video. If you need help in this training, and if you want to read for this complete MATLAB at Pearson course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. So please reach me out for your other courses like MATLAB Accounting, MATLAB Finance, MATLAB Java, MATLAB Management, MATLAB Math, MATLAB Calculus and many more online courses. If you need help in any course or you are busy with your job, with your shift, your work and you don't have any time to do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email and we will deal for this course. I will give you very reasonable price and I will do your complete course with A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.